honorable well-wishers, and today my presentation is strictly pointing on the multidisciplinary research areas which are 100% required. Actually, I designed my presentation to reach all of you, okay, to the technical persons as well as the research scholars, students, and almost all the peoples are working in various domains. That is my presentation program, because you should my objective is to create interest on the research. Okay, so to do some sort of focus on the creative creations and innovations. In this presentation, before going to the presentation, I am telling an important points that first of all, the most important thing is we make a habit that do good to others. As a human being, we have so many expectations. Definitely, once we follow this word, you can get 100% better than results what you are expecting. Okay, and the second most important point is you must know all of you that how to our prayers definitely, okay, should reach about the universal happiness. That means the world happiness. Okay, and also that without making with less selfishness. It is not possible to make 100% avoid that selfishness habit to any human being, of course. I am speaking in a practical oriented way in each and every point, because to discuss anything, technical thing is very simple, but to do practically it is a very complex process. No doubt on that. No doubt on that. And also as it to do any sort of work, starting from the student level to the higher level, our stability of the mind is very important. To maintain mind as a stable is most difficult thing. It's not a simple thing. Okay, for that the people are suggesting, the most of the experts also suggesting that meditation, yoga, and so many process exercises they are suggesting. Okay, and regular exercises. Okay, and so many things they are suggesting, of course, experts. Okay, and also that our mind is to make mind as a stable is most difficult thing, very difficult thing, of course, because to maintain at least some percentage of mind, okay, we should try to maintain, never be worried, never be hurried, never be tension, especially hypertension, okay, never be anxiety, okay, our anxiety is low, so many things we try to make that. Okay, so mind stability, one of the most important point I am focusing in this presentation is maintaining the mind, stable mind is a difficult thing. Practically I am speaking. Okay, and I am telling in an elaborate manner this presentation, but so much of broad is there. Okay, to discuss each and every point. First of all, the most related to mind, the WHO suggested some points. We try to follow at least some percentage. The first point is suggested is missing of breakfast. Okay, these are the biggest brain damaging habits. The second one is sleeping late. Okay, and also high sugar consumption. More sleeping, especially at the morning. So wearing socks while sleeping. Habit of blocking or stopping the urine. Okay, so these are the points suggested by the WHO. Okay, about related to the mind. It is not possible to anybody to maintain 100%. Try to maintain some percentage as a good habits. And also everybody must know about at least what is happening in our human body system. How to maintain human body system as a perfect manner. Okay, so to get a, because we want to make a natural habits. Okay, and also all of you must honor our scriptures, okay, as well as our ancient principles. We should go to the natural principles also. Okay, the more because here I am telling pointing to some conceptual related knowledge on this that about that most important point is red blood cells push the white blood cells and platelets aside. Okay, for this so much of research is going on in entire the world. So much of scientists are working on the mathematical models as well as the computer simulations. They are doing wonderful research on this. It is a broad topic. It's not a narrow topic. You should know about this. What's the platelets count? Okay, so and also that is you please try to understand one line that our human body is a greatest system. Okay, because it is doing that much of process. Okay, that means to keep the human body in a good habits. Okay, is most difficult thing. Okay, it's the most difficult thing, of course. Platelets count is directly proportional to the fraction of blood volume. Okay, there is a lot of difference between all of you understand infection and inflammation. You must know this point, all of you, because it is the most important point. I am highlighting a very important points in the research. Okay, so because to create more knowledge and more knowledge from the student stage onwards. So every student must remember that they should have to work or they should have to study on the knowledge basis. Okay, so not on the just remember and just don't remember any points. You should think logically on each and every point. Of course, here I am highlighting one important point: the difference between infection and inflammation. Infection is one which is infection is nothing but war. It is a war between the human body blood cells and then the infection disease attack. Now simply we can call it as a war. Of course, it's a broad thing. And inflammation is one which the body responds against infection. It is a complex process. It is a complex process. It is a broad points, of course. Okay, so please try to understand these points very clearly. And this is about that my presentation regarding pointing to the medical technology. And in the other category, I want to tell about the space technology. Space is nothing but most of the people, even my scholars also, they are big fans of the space technology. I am in association with some of the Indian Space Research Organization scientists. They are struggling a lot to put one artificial satellite into the space. It is the most difficult thing. Okay, that's what I am telling. Theoretical is different, practical is different. Practical means they encounter so much of errors. Okay, so and they encounter so many problems in the practicality is concerned. Okay, theoretical and practical are completely different. Of course, in the space technology, I want to highlight that about that the two things. One is natural satellite and other one is artificial satellite. Natural satellite is nothing but perfect example is moon. Artificial satellite is nothing but you know very well. Today, entire world is changed because of the word artificial satellite. Okay, because we are enjoying telecommunications. As well as there is so much of change on the TV broadcasting. Okay, so and there is a change in the that is the GPS services. Okay, so there is because of the improvement in the satellite technology. Of course, the artificial satellites are called man-made satellites. They are designed by our Indian Space Research scientists. Okay, of course, the satellites is one which a physical object which revolves around the Earth. Okay, that means the design of a satellite should be as less weight as possible. As less weight as possible. Okay, because that is a design technique. So I am telling in the narrow down manner to create an interest, there is a broad explanation is there. Even I am also working in an interesting manner with so many innovative and creative projects. And of course, the other one is the need of the satellite is to collect the information about Earth. Okay, for the transmission of signals at wide range. Okay, and the merits of the satellite is it cover the merits is observe large coverage area. Okay, so and also most disadvantage in the satellite is higher atmospheric losses. Okay, the satellites have so many advantages, so many applications today, and I want to point out some interesting questions for you. Try to think on this because so many my scholars are interacted these questions with me, and I given some exercises also based on this. And study regarding to the black holes, and regarding to the important discussion is aliens have ever visited Earth? Okay, and regarding to that stars can turn into the planet. Okay, the gravity can form the waves. They are interesting things. I will tell in my next presentation. Please try to think all of you about these things also. Okay, so my objective is to create more and more interest on the subject. Okay, this presentation is especially designed to reach all the categories, those who are working on the different fields. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much.